Lesson 14. Direct and indirect speech. Let's observe analytical skills. Look at the picture and read the following sentences. Tanmay said, "It is raining cats and dogs now." Tanmay said that it was raining cats and dogs then. What do you observe in the above sentences? Let's learn conceptual learning. We observe, the above two speeches are made by two third person in different ways, but they carry the same meaning. They differ in their tense and construction. We have already learnt that these are direct and indirect speeches. Rules for changing direct speech into indirect speech. There are some changes made to the sentences when we change direct speech into indirect speech. These are pronouns, modals, tenses, kinds of sentence, time and place, reporting verb. Change in pronouns. The pronouns of the first person is changed to pronouns of third person. The use of the pronoun depends on the number and gender of the subject of the reporting verb. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. He said, "My parents take very good care of me." He said that his parents took very good care of him. She said, "My parents take very good care of me." She said that her parents took very good care of her. The pronouns of the second person is changed according to the object of the reporting verb. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. Neha said to him, "You are a good friend." Neha told him that he was a good friend. He said to her, "You are a good friend." He told her that she was a good friend. The pronouns of third person remain unchanged in indirect speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. They said, "She is good in her studies." They said that she was good in her studies. He said, "It is raining." He said that it was raining. The pronouns of first person remains unchanged in indirect speech if the pronouns of the reporting verb is also first person. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. We said, "We stayed together." We said that we stayed together. They said, "They are good in studies." They said that they were good in studies. Change in modals. While converting direct speech into indirect speech, the modals in the sentence also changes. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. He said, "I may go to Delhi next week." He said that he might go to Delhi the following week. She said, "I can sing a song." She said that she could sing a song. Modals that change in indirect speech. Modals that do not change in indirect speech. Can, could. May, might. Must, had to. Would, could, might, should, ought to. Change in tenses. Tense, direct speech, indirect speech. Simple present tense changes to simple past tense. She said, "I work in a bank." She said that she worked in a bank. Present continuous tense changes to past continuous tense. You said, he is riding a bike. You said that he was riding a bike. Present perfect tense changes to past perfect tense. He said, she has washed the clothes. He said that she had washed the clothes. Present perfect continuous tense changes to past perfect continuous tense. He said, I have been working in a school for 2 years. He said that he had been working in a school for 2 years. Simple past tense changes to past perfect tense. She said, I opened a parlor. She said that she had opened a parlor. Past continuous tense changes to past perfect continuous tense. He said, I was writing a letter. He said that he had been writing a letter. Past perfect tense remains unchanged. She said, I had passed the exam. She said that she had passed the exam. Exceptions. In the following conditions, the tense of the reported speech remains unchanged. The simple present tense that states a general or universal truth do not change. Example: the teacher said, the earth moves around the sun. DS. The teacher said that the earth moves around the sun. IS. Simple past tense or past continuous tense in the time clauses do not normally change. The main verb may either remain unchanged or become past perfect tense. Example: she said, when we were living in Chennai, we often went to the Marina Beach, DS. She said that when they had been living in Chennai, they often went to the Marina Beach. IS. If conditionals. Example: she said, if I were a queen, I would sing aloud, DS. She said that if she were a queen, she would sing aloud. IS. The reported speech describes a situation which still exists when the speech is reported. Example: the police said, there is a curfew for 3 days, DS. The police said that there is a curfew for 3 days. IS. Change in kinds of sentence. Kind of sentence. Rules, examples. Interrogative sentence. In the reported speech, if the question starts with a helping verb, the words if or whether is added before the question. If the question starts with a WH word, the WH word is used as the connector. The reporting verb will change from said to asked. Question mark will be omitted in reported speech. The word that will not be used as a conjunction between reported verb and reported speech. She said to me, do you like burgers? DS. She asked me whether I like burgers. IS. He said to me, how have you taken medicine? DS. He asked me how I had taken medicine. IS. Imperative sentence. Depending on the nature of the imperative sentence, we add words like ordered, advised, requested, and suggested as the reporting verb. Sometimes between the reporting verb and the reported speech, we use to plus verb. He said, "Open the door, DS." He ordered me to open the door, IS. He said to me, "Please, go there, DS." He requested me to go there, IS. Exclamatory sentence. Depending on the nature of the exclamatory sentence, we add the words like exclaimed with sorrow, exclaimed with joy, and exclaimed with wonder as the reporting verb. He said, "Hurrah! We won the competition, DS." He exclaimed with joy that they had won the competition, IS. She said, "Alas! I failed in the driving test, DS." She exclaimed with sorrow that she had failed in the driving test, IS. Change in time and place. Words and expressions showing time and place in the direct speech will be changed in indirect speech. Examples: direct speech, indirect speech. This, that, tomorrow, the following day, the next day. These, those, yesterday, the day before the previous day. Here, there, last night, the night before the previous night. Hence, hereby, thence, thereby, thus so, now, then, ago, before, today, that day, just then. Change in reporting verb. The verb introducing the actual words of the speaker is called the reporting verb or the introductory verb. Reporting statements, the reporting verb said to changes to told. Some other words that can be used as a reporting verb in place of said are announced, complained, remarked, promised, proposed, and reminded. Reporting questions, the reporting verb say changes to asked, inquired, or wondered. Reporting commands, requests, and advice, the reporting verb said changes to told, ordered, commanded, asked, begged, urged, reminded, or warned. Reporting exclamations and wishes, the reporting verb said changes to exclaimed, declared, wished, or prayed.